7 quick healthy drinks you should master. In our fast-paced world, finding quick yet healthy ways to nourish our bodies is more important than ever. While grabbing a sugary drink or coffee might seem like the easiest option, there are several quick and nutritious alternatives you can master that will not only satisfy your thirst but also contribute to your overall well-being. In this article, we'll explore 7 healthy drinks that are simple to make, packed with essential nutrients, and perfect for any time of the day. 1. Green smoothie. A green smoothie is one of the quickest and most effective ways to pack a variety of nutrients into one refreshing drink. The base of a green smoothie typically includes leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. How to make it. Start with a handful of fresh spinach or kale. Pour in a cup of almond milk, or any plant-based milk of your choice. Add half a banana for sweetness and creaminess. For an extra boost, throw in some chia seeds or flax seeds. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is an excellent source of fiber which aids in digestion. The greens provide a hefty dose of antioxidants, helping to combat inflammation and support immune function. Additionally, the natural sugars in the banana give you a quick energy boost without the crash. 2. Turmeric latte golden milk. Turmeric lattes have gained popularity for their anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the curcumin in turmeric. This warm, soothing drink is perfect for winding down after a long day, or as a mid-morning pick-me-up. How to make it. Heat a cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based in a small pot. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a dash of cinnamon. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup to taste. Whisk until frothy and well mixed. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making this drink even more beneficial. The spices also provide a warming effect, making it a great drink for colder months. 3. Lemon ginger tea. Lemon ginger tea is a simple yet powerful drink that can be made in minutes. It's known for its immune-boosting properties and is particularly effective at soothing the digestive system. How to make it. Boil a cup of water and pour it over a few slices of fresh ginger. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Let it steep for a few minutes. Add honey for sweetness if desired. Ginger is famous for its ability to ease nausea and improve digestion. Lemon adds a dose of vitamin C, boosting the immune system and helping to detoxify the body. This drink is particularly useful during cold and flu season or as a calming morning ritual. 4. Matcha latte. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea that is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are known to have cancer-fighting properties. A matcha latte is a vibrant, energizing drink that can be a great alternative to coffee. How to make it. Sift 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into a cup to avoid clumps. Add a small amount of hot water, not boiling, and whisk vigorously until frothy. Pour in your choice of steamed milk. Sweeten with honey or a sweetener of your choice. Matcha provides a calm, sustained energy boost without the jitters often associated with coffee. It also supports metabolism and aids in detoxification. The high levels of antioxidants in matcha contribute to overall health by protecting cells from damage. 5. Chia seed drink. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. When mixed with liquid, they expand and form a gel-like consistency, making for a unique and filling drink. How to make it. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of water, juice, or coconut water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent clumping. Add a splash of lemon or lime juice for flavor. Chia seeds are high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein, making this drink a great option for keeping you full between meals. It also aids in hydration due to the water content and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a vibrant and nutritious drink that's gaining popularity for its health benefits, particularly its ability to improve athletic performance and lower blood pressure. How to make it. Wash and peel a medium-sized beetroot. Juice the beetroot along with an apple or carrot for added sweetness. Add a squeeze of lemon to enhance the flavor. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing endurance and reducing blood pressure. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals like folate, potassium, and iron. 7. Coconut water with mint and lime. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte-rich drink that's perfect for hydration. Adding mint and lime elevates the flavor and adds additional health benefits. How to make it. Pour a cup of fresh coconut water into a glass. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime. Add a few fresh mint leaves and stir. Coconut water is known for its hydrating properties, making it an excellent choice after a workout or on a hot day. The lime provides vitamin C, and the mint adds a refreshing taste that also aids digestion. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine is easy and can lead to significant health benefits over time. Here are a few tips to help you master these quick and healthy beverages. Start small. Begin by adding one of these drinks into your routine each day. For example, you could start your morning with a green smoothie or end your day with the turmeric latte. Prepare in advance. If you have a busy schedule, try prepping ingredients in advance. For example, chop vegetables for your smoothie the night before, or prepare chia seed drinks and store them in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go option. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to each drink. You may find that certain drinks give you more energy or help you feel more hydrated throughout the day. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste preferences. For instance, you can add different fruits to your green smoothie or try different spices in your turmeric latte. Share with others. Making these drinks for family and friends can encourage you to stick with the habit. Plus, it's a great way to introduce others to healthier beverage options. Mastering these 7 quick and healthy drinks can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. From boosting your energy levels to improving your digestion and hydration, these beverages are simple to prepare and packed with nutrients. By making them a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of better health and well-being without sacrificing time or flavor. So why not start today? Your body will thank you for it.